Okay, today we're going to take a look at a nice Zippo design that I just received, and it's a pretty new design from Zippo. Now this one came with the cardboard sleeve over the box, and it says Mazzi Shark Attack. The genuine Zippo. It also says Mazzi Shark Attack above the barcode. All genuine Zippos are made in Bradford, PA. Made in the USA. Okay, there's a first look at the shark. This has a sort of collectible insert. Mazzi is a famous painter. There's some information about the Mazzi collection. I think he's done about 10 designs for Zippo, maybe more. So there's a good look at the shark. It's on a street chrome body. Good sound. Now this one was made in, looks like A of 18, which is January of this year. Good stampings. Real good sound. Lights up nice. That is the Shark Attack by Mazzi. Let's do a drop test. A lit drop test. Okay, so the shark passes the lit drop test. It's a Mazzi design. It's a nice one. And it definitely deserves cowbell. Knuckle bump.